Hello children, hope you all are fine. So welcome to the construction part in simulate triangle for grade 10th. Exercise number 6.1. Let me read the fifth problem. Draw a triangle ABC with the side BC 6 cm, AB 5 cm and angle ABC equal to 60 degree. Then construct a triangle whose sides are 3 upon 4 of the corresponding sides of the triangle ABC. Children, this is the different problem from the rest of the problems. So let me see how to construct this one. Children, let we start construction of a triangle ABC as per the given data in the problem. For that one, first mark a point on your notebook and give a name that point as B, and draw a line segment of measurement 6 centimeter and name that line segment as BC. Now with the help of compass, construct an angle 60 degree. Keep your compass center at the B point and measure a 60 degree from the C point. And draw a line segment from the B point through the 60 degree angle mark. Now take a radius length of 5 centimeter and construct an arc by keeping B as center. Give a name to that intersection point of an arc and a line segment as A, and now join the points A and C. Construct an acute angle with the help of the compass. Keep your compass center at B point and count the acute angle value from C point and mark that point. Now join the B point and acute angle mark by the line segment with the help of the scale. Now, as per your convenient measurement, take the radius length in the compass and draw an arc by keeping B as center like this. Name that arc as A1. Now, keeping A1 as a center, draw one more arc and give a name to that arc A2. Here, BA1 is equal to A1A2. Here, radius should not be changed. Note this point, children, very carefully. You should not change the radius of the any arc which is constructing on this ray. And now see the scale range of the triangle. So what they are given in the problem. So 3 upon 4. Here the larger number is 4. So that's why you have to construct 4 portions on this ray. 4 portions means you have to construct 4 arcs, 4 equidistant arcs. So like this. So this is the last arc you are constructing, A4. Now see once again the scale range 3 upon 4. So which is the denominator value? That is a 4. So that's why you have to join A4 point and a C point. You should join the denominator value first. Then construct an arc by keeping A4 as center with any measurement of the radius. Now with that same measurement, construct one more arc by keeping A3 as center. Take the length of the arc which was constructed at A4 point by keeping your compass pointers on the extreme points of that A4 arc. Now cut the arc which is constructed at A3 point. Now mark the intersecting point of these two arcs and now join this intersecting point and the A3 point by line segment. Extend that line segment up to BC. Now give a name to that intersecting points of these two line segments as Q. Now one more construction here. Draw one arc by keeping C as a center. With the same measurement, draw one more arc by keeping Q as a center. Now take the length of the arc which was constructed at the C, and from that length you cut the arc that is constructed at Q. Now join that intersecting point of those arcs and Q by the line segment. Mark the intersecting points of the line segment on the AB line. Give a name to that intersecting point as P. Now here PQB is your required triangle. ABC is a given triangle. So observe here children, ABC triangle is greater, PBQ triangle is smaller because your scale range is less than 1. So thank you children. In the next class, let's construct next problem in exercise 6.1.